I'm going to show you a couple of free software pairs for making YouTube videos. The first one is called CapCut here. CapCut is an editing software here. Now, it's pretty easy to use and it's open source as well. It has no watermark and it's free, of course, right? It's cross-platform, which means anything you edit in Windows, you can move on over to Mac as well. Now, this is a pretty low floor editing software, right? So it's easy to get started with. And it has a pretty in-depth UI and has brought a couple of in-depth features as well. So it's definitely worth a shot. Now, if you want something more complicated, but your PC is not that powerful, I do recommend a software called VSTC. This was what I would use when I was first starting out with editing when I had my PC, and my PC was pretty bad. It was a potato PC, pretty low specs, but this had no problem running in my PC, right? I actually still have it here, even though my computer is also pretty powerful right now, right? Now, if I go to a blank project here and I click on finish, you can see this is what it looks like. It looks like a pretty complicated editing software, but I promise you it's not actually that hard. It has a low floor, but a high ceiling, right? Which means it's simple to get started, but there's a lot to learn when you actually get to know it, right? Now, the last one I want to tell you about is called DaVinci Resolve. This is a studio level software for editing. A lot of movies in Hollywood use this software to edit their movies, right? DaVinci Resolve 20. And the best thing about it is that it's free, right? The normal version is free, but if you want something more advanced, like if you have something really advanced to edit, then you can buy the DaVinci Resolve Studio. Now, I actually have the studio version right here. I have a DaVinci Resolve Studio because I like those editing software that much. I can take you a couple of the videos here that I did it through here. You can see this is what it will look like. It has a lot of feature here. I edit my YouTube videos here. You can see there's color correction here. There's masking. I mask my video through here as well. There's also alpha output as well. So if you want to change how the video will look, it looks like this here, right? You can also add notes, add source, but it is pretty hard to get started with. It has a pretty steep learning curve, right? It has a high floor, but a very high ceiling along with it as well. You can do incredible things with this DaVinci Resolve, especially if you get to know its Fusion page. The Fusion page is where all of the magic happen, but of course, this is one of the hardest part to master if you're using DaVinci Resolve, because in DaVinci Resolve, there's things like image plane 3D, shape 3D, text 3D, merge 2D. Now, you're tackling with 3D objects here, which is pretty hard and it's pretty heavy on your PC as well. But if you have a great PC and you're dedicated to editing, then DaVinci Resolve is a great option for you.